Hello, are you selling the microwave oven?
Yes, I am.
Um, I would like to know some info about it.
Excuse me?
I would like some info about it.
Oh, you'd like to buy it?
No, I want info about it before I think
Oh,
of...
info? Okay, hold on a sec.
Hello?
Yeah, are you selling the microwave oven?
Yeah, I'm selling the microwave. It's pretty much like I've had it for probably like 4 months and barely used it ever. I bought it brand new. I paid like $100 for it. All I'm asking is 50 for it.
Would you take 25?
So I take 25.
Yeah.
Mm.
What?
No.
What about 25 and, a Twilight DVD?
And a what?
The movie Twilight.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. DVD, sorry.
What about if I give you a Twilight, board game too?
What is it?
A Twilight board game.
Come on, I want money. I don't want games and movies. I need money. It's $50. $50 is $50, and that's half off. It's a new microwave oven. If you want it for 50, I'll give it to you.
Wait, hold on. What about 40 and the Twilight DVD?
Yeah, I might do that. I might be able to do that.
Did you ever put any animals in it to cook them? Like, did you ever cook an animal in it?
What, like cats and dogs?
Yeah.
Well, no. Yeah, oh my God, no, I don't cook cats and dogs. I've never cooked any animals in the microwave. No. Why? Is that what you're planning on doing with it?
Yes.
Yeah, you're planning on cooking cats and dogs?
You ever tried it before?
No, I don't cook them. I eat those raw.
Alright, thank you.